It's time for a closet clean out. Yep, definitely time. Let's do it. I have too many sweaters. Too many. Let's go through them. It's time. It has to go. This is my newest favorite. It's a Park City, Utah Aeropostale one. Also going to keep this one instead of the AC/DC because this one's still soft and it's the Beatles, and I love the Beatles. Okay, let's speed through the band tees and t-shirts. This Blink-182 one, not gonna lie, bought it because of Kourtney Kardashian. It's not the comfiest, but it's also very oversized, and I'm gonna keep it because it's Blink-182, so keeping that. This Led Zeppelin one I never wear, ever, so she's gotta go. Next, another Rolling Stones. Do I really need this many Rolling Stones tees? No. But I like the cheetah on it. I love this Aerosmith one. I just love the distress, like the acid wash look, so keeping that one. So I do have a pile of clothes that were in my bins that go in the shelf inside my closet. One of them was for like workout and leggings. One of it was for like t-shirts, which I really don't go towards, so I'm gonna have to really get rid of a lot there. And then one of them was for like, I believe, skirts, because shorts are put away right now. So let's get into that. I'm going to struggle with only because they're sweaters and cardigans, and I have a hard time getting rid of sweaters and cardigans. And I have another sweater that I thrifted to add to my collection. This is, I think there's a way on how I can get rid of something. Right off the bat, I know I'm gonna get rid of this one. It was cute, but it's just not serving. It doesn't bring me joy looking at it anymore. It's not really my vibe. When I wear it, I feel like it's a little too big. So it's gotta go. This is a sweater dress that I thrifted, but it's from Walmart. I wore it once, but I can't justify keeping it if I'm only wearing it once. So in that case, it's gotta go. And this cardigan, I really don't wear this cardigan that much anymore, but it is really cute. I think maybe at my job I'll actually wear it more when it's not so cold outside. But then that means I kind of want to get rid of this one. It's just very meh. Let me try it on. But it is thicker than the other one, so it's like warmer. Okay, now I have to keep it. This one did do me good. It's such a good knit cream sweater, but when I wear it, I think like in the wash it shrunk because it like doesn't fully go all the way anymore. So I am gonna have to part with this. Okay, this is literally a large sweater, but it's so comfy. And yeah, I love this striped sweater. Like, even though it's huge on me, I love it. Can never get rid of this iconic Urban Outfitters oversized cardigan. It's still cozy, it's still great. This one I do love, but I really don't wear it much. So I think it's time she finds a new home. Oh my gosh. My most amazing prized possession. This I got for Christmas. It's from Vici. It's literally this stunning long coat. It literally hit me to my ankles. Or no, not even to my ankles, to my actual feet. And so I went and got it hemmed for $120. It was insane. So this turned out to be like a $200 coat. But this I'm gonna have for many years. So, and the faux fur collar is removable, which is really nice. Blue cardigans, because I really don't need two blue cardigans, but also totally different. This one's a Vince cardigan that I thrifted this past year. See? Yeah. Give me that. And then this one, I just love, love, love the big oversized sleeves. I think it's so cute. And it's thick and warm. So can't get rid of that. Another Vince piece that I thrifted, extra small, 100% cashmere. Literally just a basic. Again, this looks great under like a blazer, some like black slacks, black jeans. It's just good for work. So, this is my recent collection of blazers. We have this linen one. I wore it to Alicia Keys. It was super cute. I have this other linen one, which is striped, and it's like, got like the slightest like details. Another like really good basic you can wear with jeans. And then this one I got on sale for $10 at Walmart. Really good quality, honestly, which I'm shocked about. And the print is pretty nice too. And then this is more like a blazer coat that I also thrifted, and this one does really good too. I like it. I looked up the brand. I can't find the exact dress, but I looked up the designer or the brand, and their dresses that are velvet, like this one, go for like $400. It is literally like a goth 90s, like 90s red carpet type of gown. Like, it's all velvet. I don't know if you can tell because it's literally black, but how stunning is this? It's a maxi, and then the back, again with the print. Look at that sheen. Oh my gosh, I can't. There's a slit on the back. It's jeans, but I have a feeling. Now, actually, I could think of a few that I want to get rid of, so I don't think that'll be too hard. Considering the fact I just bought 7 pairs, maybe I should get rid of some. Yeah, I think we could get rid of some. Things aren't looking great. I haven't gotten rid of anything. That's not good. I guess it's not a bad thing because I do need work pants and I have my casual pants, so. Okay, honestly, like, I am actually doing pretty good. I have like a whole bag. And here she is, all cleared out and organized. My bags, my tall boots, and then just a few of like my nicer-ish shoes, my flats, work stuff. And all my jeans and skirts fit. And here is my bag of donations.
Caught in the ocean.